Curious about what the junior suites look like here at Secrets Tides? Well, come along with me. I'm about to show you one. Hi, I'm Asai, a travel agent specializing in luxury and all-inclusive vacations. And in today's video, we are going to take a look at a junior suite. But the thing you need to keep in mind is that this is what every single junior suite at Secrets Tides is going to look like. Let's start with the bathroom. Walking into the bathroom, you have a really spacious layout with double vanities, plenty of counter space, and great lighting. The shower is large and modern, and everything feels very clean and well designed, and it has one of my favorite things, an enclosed water closet. It's exactly what you'd expect from a newer Secrets resort. And of course, they include all of the different toiletries that you'll need during your stay, like shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, and even more on the vanity. One thing I really liked here is this electronic lighting system that's throughout the room. You can control most of the lights right from these panels, which makes it really easy to adjust everything. Now, the closet setup here is really functional. You've got a mix of hanging space, shelves, and drawers, along with your safe and luggage rack, which makes unpacking super easy. Don't forget your robes and slippers. The main room here is just over 600 square feet, so you've got plenty of space to spread out. One thing I love about Secrets Resorts is that you can guarantee bedding. If you want a king bed, you can get a king bed. If you want double beds, you can book double beds. I also like this sliding door feature here to fully close off the bathroom if you're staying with friends. So additionally, in this room, you've got a seating area, a full-length mirror for getting ready, and storage under the TV here, which is great for keeping things organized. And right here, you've got your mini bar and coffee station stocked with water, soft drinks, and beer, plus your coffee maker and everything you need to get started in the morning. This is fully stocked and refreshed daily. And then out here, you've got a private balcony with comfortable seating, a great spot to have your coffee in the morning or unwind in the evening. And this is what your tropical view or garden view is going to look like. This is one of those rooms I recommend often because it's comfortable, functional, and a great value. And if you're stuck deciding between room categories, I can help you choose the right one based on your travel style. Just click the link in my description box. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.